we're gonna be doing Fidget Spinner versus neck. So this is gonna be quite scary because like it's your neck. Why wouldn't it be scary? So yeah, I'm not gonna waste any time. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna spin it like fairly slow. Do that. Okay, so I feel a little bit better. That actually makes you cough. That's too scary. Okay guys, I finished the video with like the Fidget Spinner stuff, but my brother was upstairs with me and I didn't want him to hear this, but I'm going to be starting some, like I'm going to be pranking him, like I'm starting a prank, like prank week or something, so yeah, I don't want my brother to hear this, so comment down below all the prank ideas that I could do to my brother. So yeah, I could prank him, like do really good ideas, like you could do jump scare, adopted prank and all that. Like just comment down below right now, like after the video, comment what pranks I should do with my brother, because like I was upstairs with him. Like if you watch back, I think you could hear like some music because he was watching YouTube in the video. So I just wanted to come downstairs so he doesn't hear this. But I'm gonna start prank week. So yeah, you guys comment down below all the pranks you got so I can prank my brother. So yeah, I'm just gonna go upstairs now and act like I just went like downstairs to get a drink or something. I just went to get a drink. Wait, what are you watching? That little lizard thing?
The shark is really good.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna start filming now. Okay guys, so that was the video. I'm gonna wrap it up. So yeah, hope you like it. Like, subscribe, share, and comment.